Hey everyone, this is Eric from CMT Real Estate, and today I will be discussing the home buyer's checklist. Now, the home buyer checklist is listed in the description below, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the checklist in a few videos. Now, this topic I will discuss today is credit reports and personal debt. Number one is you want to get a copy of your credit report and correct any errors. First you want to go online and get your credit report. Most websites out there you can get them for free or for a minimal cost. Your credit report contains information about where you live, how you pay your bills, and whether you've been sued or arrested or have filed for bankruptcy. Credit reporting companies sell the information in your credit report to creditors, insurers, employers, and other businesses that use it to evaluate your applications for credit, insurance, employment, or renting a home. Now, the Fair Credit Reporting Act promotes the accuracy and privacy of the information in the files of the nation's credit reporting companies. Next, some financial advisors and consumer advocates suggest that you review your credit report periodically. Why? Well, number one is because the information it contains affects whether you can get a loan, how much you will have to pay to borrow money, and this is very important. You always want to pay as little interest as possible. Next is to make sure that the information is accurate, complete, and up to date before you apply for a loan for a major purchase like a house, car, buy insurance, or apply for a job. Also, to help guard against identity theft. That's when someone uses your personal information like your name, your social security number, or your credit card number to commit fraud. Now, identity thieves may use your information to open up a new credit card, account in your name. Then when they don't pay the bills, the delinquent account is reported on your credit report. Inaccurate information like that could affect your ability to get credit insurance or even a job. I mean, that's usually pretty big. And lastly, you want to reduce your consumer debt. You want to pay down your credit card balances. Now, there are a few steps you can take to start paying down your credit cards and debt. Number one is you want to pay more than the minimum balance and pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. So again, pay off your high interest rate debt first. Number two, you want to look at all the credit cards. If one has a lower interest rate than the other, look into transferring some of your highest interest rate credit cards to the lower interest rate ones. Also, look into your savings account, borrowing money from 401k or life insurance and home equity loan just to get that debt down. So again, I want to thank you. Well, that wraps up the credit reports and personal debt section here. I want you to tune in next time, and I will continue to discuss the home buyer's checklist. I will discuss how much money you can afford to pay for a home, how much money you will need for down payment, and also I want to explain mortgages. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.